Hey, I'm going to be doing a bike check, so let's get started. It is a Colt OSV3 frame in orange. The bars are stock Colt bars. It is a stolen rebirth stem. The forks are Colt Sect V2 forks. My front hub is a Mission Interceptor hub with Primo straight gauge spokes laced to an Alienation plain black rim. My tire is a Tom Whitewall in the front, 2.25. A little bit towards the back, we have an Odyssey seat post, a Nigel Sylvester signature animal pivotal seat, Odyssey twisted PCs in white, stock Verde cranks, a 25 tooth Kink Belgium sprocket. I love this sprocket, they're built so well, nice and thick. A white KMC master length chain. On this side we have a Mission Quadrant hub in the back with Primo straight gauge spokes laced to an Alienation plain black rim in the back, and an Animal Tom Whitewall, which is a 2.25. Yeah, they're both the same, 2.25. For the grips, I have Colt D-Heart grips. They're great. I love them with the stupid bar ends that came with them. For my stem, I have TI bolts and I have a TI spindle. It weighs about 23 pounds, and that's my bike. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and give a thumbs up for the video. Alright, bye.